Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'll tell you how to fix send mail not showing in sent folder. Many users complain that the iOS 17 send mail not showing in sent folder and they need to help to find out where they are. One thing can be sure is that the mails do get sent without knowing their whereabouts. In this video you will learn why your send mail not showing up and how to fix this problem. But first, subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos and hit the like button. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So the first step is disable and re-enable mail accounts. This is one solution that works for some of the users. If the problem lies in a mix-up of multiple mail accounts, you can try disabling and re-enabling all of them. Then delete the malfunctioning that gets detected before you re-add it to email. For this, go to settings, scroll down and go to mail. Tap on it. Next, tap on accounts. Pick one of the account and then toggle off mail. Wait for a few seconds and then toggle it on again. Now send an email through this account to see if it works properly. Then repeat this process to see which account doesn't work properly. If there is one, just click on delete account. Then swipe up from the bottom edge of your iPhone screen to clear all the background data. After that, you can reopen the mail app and add the deleted account if you like, and you are done. And the next step is uninstall and reinstall the mail app. This is useful for some users who claim that they just get furious about this problem and uninstall the app like they do for other apps and then reinstall it in order to fix the problem. For this, you just need to tap and hold the app icon and then tap on remove app and then tap on delete app and then tap on delete again to confirm. After deletion, reinstall the app from the App Store and you are done. And the next step is configure the sent mail. If the problem of sent mail not showing is relevant to the server, then it's necessary for you to make sure your sent mail is stored in the same folder on the server but not on the phone. For this, go to settings, scroll down and go to mail. Tap on it. Next, tap on the account that has problems. Now tap on the account option under IMAP. Next, tap on the advanced settings at the bottom. Under mailbox behaviors, if send mailbox is available, ensure to toggle on the button of the folder called send under on the server section and you are done. And the next step is reboot your iPhone. For this, press and quickly release the volume up button and do the same with the down button and press the power button and then slide to power off, and after some time press the power button until you see the Apple logo on your home screen and you are done. And the next step is make software update. For this, go to settings, scroll down and then tap on general and then tap on software update. Wait until the page is loading. See if there is any update available, then tap on update now and update the latest version of iOS and you are done. And the next step is reset all settings. Reset all settings will only erase your preference settings and get them back to their default states. All of your private data including files, messages, photos and so on will all remain intact, and it is also said to be useful fix some minor bugs. For this, go to settings, scroll down and then tap on general, scroll down to the bottom and then tap on transfer or reset iPhone. Next, tap on reset and then tap on reset all settings. It might ask you to enter your passcode, so enter your passcode and follow the on-screen instruction to reset all settings on your iPhone and you are done. I hope this solution will fix your issue of sent mail not showing in sent folder, and also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.